Do you want to stop receiving notifications from the Ring app? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can stop receiving notifications from the Ring app in your Android device. First of all, the Ring app gives you notifications about the alterness of your home and a lot of security. So if you want to turn it off, tap on it, go to its settings and go to notifications. If it is turned off, let me show you how you can turn it on and how you can turn it off again. So tap on it, go to its settings, go to notifications, and to block it, simply tap on it and it will be blocked. Now you can even change the settings like lock screen, bars, pop-up. So if you press on these, the notification will appear. So you can even hide it from your lock screen. And if you go to notification categories, you can see the Ring alarm and Ring alarm critical. You can turn these off if you want to, if you are irritated by the Ring alarm notification. You can even tap on silent and the notification will come, but it will be on mute. So just by tapping on allow notifications, it will be turned on again, and you can change it into silent as well. So by simply tapping on its settings and going to notifications and tapping the allow notifications, it will be turned on and then you will stop receiving notifications from Ring. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and go hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.